Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be going through my 2016 Chevy Cruze bodywork and what I thought about it. This was my car's initial damage, as you can see. There are a couple other scrapes along the side of the car, but not too bad. I brought my car to Kev's Auto Body and Custom. Kev, the owner, let me video some of the work that was done on my car. Just to start off the video here, he is pulling out my dents, and he's using these little pulling tabs that just hook into the chain there, and then he's also taking the hammer and relieving the stress around while he's got tension on the pulling tabs. The pulling tabs are also on the car with like a hot glue. I suppose it's like an automotive glue that he puts on it. And the reason why he's tapping on it is because he wants to, as far as I know, he wants to make the metal a new memory. So because it's crushed in, it has a memory of staying crushed in. And from him pulling it out, he is trying, and tapping on it, he is trying to, one, relieve the stress, but also to make a new memory for the metal. And of course, he's also working on that corner too. He wants to keep that corner sharp, but not make a hole in it. So he's pretty much got the big dent of it out. He's just working on a smaller pinpoint area, I would assume there. And like I said, he broke the pulling tab off, and it's like a glue. So he's taking some alcohol right now to remove that from the car to not leave that residue on there. So once Kev's all done with his part there, he's going to hand it over to this guy, Jeremy. And Jeremy already ground it down, and he already put a layer of Bondo on it. And he's just trying to get those little indentations filled there, and after he's kind of done sanding that down, he'll put another layer on here, and he'll sand it down again. Now, the one thing I was looking at, I don't know if you can see it, but on that wheel well around there, there's a line that disappears eventually when you get to the door. And I was looking on both sides, and man, I tell you what, Jeremy knows his shit. He made that line disappear, and I couldn't find a difference on either side. So he did a wonderful job. And since Jeremy's waiting on this another layer of Bondo to dry, he's getting towards the end of what he's doing. So he's gonna tell John to come over and start taping up things so John can get ready for paint. And when Jeremy's done with that, they're going to move it over to the paint booth. They're going to cover it up, tape it up. John's going to sand it down, the A-pillar and stuff like that, the door, and get ready to make a paint card.
Codes, you got to make sure that you cover your base. So I'm covering my base up with this. Set it from 25 down to 17 psi. And then normally when you spray that close. When you do a control coat, you want to be back. That's it. See, the paper has actually got a little bit of mist on it. That's all that you're doing for a control coat. You let this puppy dry and do it again. difference between the base and the control coat. Make more of them. Good in the camera?
Yeah.
Then we're going to make one more and see which one matches the car the best. That's how you make a spray out car. Dry it off and then we'll put it in the car and see which one matches. Okay, we're going to show you how to match the car to the color. Doesn't look the same because it's dull. Okay, 330. See the color difference? Woo! Definitely don't like one. It's got the red hue to it. I like that.
Oh, I see the red, yeah. See it in the metallic, right?
Yeah, and that's what really scares me, because I don't see, you got little tiny little tiny red marks inside your car. And this has got pretty big fucking chunks of red. Is there any color that's jumping out on you that you like?
Well, I was thinking before number 2. Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
But
now it just doesn't look right, does it?
now it looks lighter, right? And that one looks too dark.
Yeah. Well, in a case like this, you always get another set of eyes. Let's go grab the boss man. Thin wax on it that you have to pull apart to activate.
I see it.
I mean, yeah, the non-paint,
Yeah.
fresh paint. When I clear that, you won't even be able to tell the difference. What we're looking for is I'm looking for my sealer ring. I don't see it. I don't see any ring in there that says, hey, I'm sealer. So that means we got everything that we needed to be covered, and now we can step out our blend just a little farther. Yeah, buddy. Also looking, I can see that. I'm also looking to see if I can see any sealer in between there. That means I didn't get enough paint. Right through here it looks pretty light, so I'm going to have to hit that again. That looks pretty damn fun. Yeah, I'm going to hit that again with the base coat, and then we'll do the control coat. That's too light.
Okay, well, John finishes this up here. I didn't have any post pictures of the car, but I'm just going to give you my feedback here, what I thought about it. I was very impressed with the work that John did. Honestly, I didn't think that when we were picking colors there on the hood that it was going to be the right shade and the right size of the metallic. But overall, I am very happy with the work that Kev did and his team did, and I would definitely go back again. I've had some bad luck with other body shop, well, one other body shop that I went to, and it left me a bad taste in my mouth. But going through Kev, he was very kind to let me video him, and also for me to get my car in and take care of it. So I want to thank you and thank the viewers. If you like it, subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever you want to do. Thank you.